Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing on Carrie's Shelby. As you guys seen in the last video, I don't know if she made a whole video on it or not, but we found some type of a coolant leak underneath the car. We noticed that there was a coolant leak when we got it. We took it to Ford. They tried to replicate the problem. They could not. And since then we never really noticed an issue. Well, a couple months ago, the car decided it was it tried to get hot. Now, it never overheated, but the thermostat got a little higher than normal, and Carrie immediately cut the car off. I came and got the trailer. We towed her home. She's been sitting ever since, and we decided to take a look at it and found that the bottom of the old radiator. Let's see here. Here's the old one. New one's in the box behind it here. This is the radiator. I believe that this is a triple core radiator. It may be, no, it's a dual core, excuse me. Dual core radiator. It's a Shelby American made. And we took it to radiator shop to get it tested. And they said that down here in the bottom corner on both sides, it was leaking. And they didn't want to take it apart to repair it. So we just said, okay, called Shelby and seeing if they had one in stock. And they did. So we got it ordered. It just showed up earlier this afternoon. So we're going to, I believe I got to take it out of the box to see. But I've got these little tabs here on the side. I may have to take those off, just so that way it fits back in the car the way that it came out. But it may already have them on it. I'm not sure. I haven't opened it. I did open it to make sure that it did say Shelby on it, just to make sure. But so we're going to get started. I got to move a few things out of the way. As you've seen, we just tucked some stuff out of the way, zip tied it, hang it, just to set it there. But I'll catch back up with you guys here in a few. Just wanted to show while I had it out. Here's the old one. See, it's all crusty dusty here. I mean, it's still a good looking radiator. I mean, the car's only got 10,000 miles on it, but then you come over here and you look at this one. It's a little dusty, but she ain't crusty. The freaking letters are all nice and bold. She looks very, very nice. Alright, on to installation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I forgot to do a little progress thing throughout the deal here. As you see, I got both tanks put back on. Nice new radiator set in place. There's a trim panel on the top here that I had to put back on, and then there was one on the bottom that I had to put back. Let's see if I can get down that low. And then I had to put the rotor vents back up, which also bolt into that little plastic shroud under there. So I got that put back on. I bled the system just a little bit. It's kind of hard because there's no like radiator cap on this thing, so I don't, my radiator vacuum puller won't fit. It's too small for this hole here. I believe I got a lot of the air out, and I'm not gonna be able to get it all, so I'm just gonna have to keep an eye on it, make sure that we all bubble down and everything looks good. For the most part, it's all put back together. I gotta put the what is that, the intake housing whatever back together. I gotta put it back in. There's one screw I gotta put back down. But there she is, or excuse me, there he is, Mr. Kong, sitting back out here in the open again. Just a little progress on this. That was the issue, was the radiator, I believe. I took it down the road and I didn't do nothing wild because, like I said, the car did get hot before. It barely even got up. I mean, it got up to temp, but nothing really higher than anything normal driving. Now we've just got to pull her up to the tree, get the pressure washer hooked up, and give it a bath. This thing's absolutely filthy on the outside. It's been sitting here for a little while. I got the brakes nice and hot to get all that corrosion and build up off. I did do that because that was bugging the shit out of me. So got that taken care of. If you guys have any questions or any concerns or anything, leave them down in the comments down below. I try to read most of them, if not all of them if I can. I know there's not a whole lot, but thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and you'll hustle harder.